Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn about introduction of the trigonometry and the trigonometrical ratios. See, when we talk about the word trigonometry, this word trigonometry has been derived from the word trigon and metry, from Greek word. There is a Greek word trigon and another word is metry. If we add these, trigon means triangle and metry means measurements. It means what? Trigonometry deals with the measurements of the triangle. So what we can derive from this? We can derive from this that trigonometry is a branch of mathematics in which we study about the sides and the angles of the triangle and its other properties. So we can say trigonometry is the branch of mathematics which deals with the sides and angles of a triangle. Or we can say we study about triangles in this branch, study about triangles. This is the meaning of the word trigonometry. So trigonometry is a branch, a particular branch of mathematics which deals with the study of triangles. In triangle, when we talk about right angle triangle, we know what a right angle triangle is. It is a triangle in which one angle is a right angle or 90 degree. Like suppose we have this is a right angle triangle ABC in which B is 90 degree, B is a right angle. Now these are two acute angles of this. If this particular angle, acute angle, we write by theta, this is known as theta. This is also a Greek letter, theta, we use generally for angles. Then the opposite sides of this theta is called the perpendicular for this. So perpendicular we call is the side opposite to the acute angle for study, which we are using for study. Like here we have theta, may be used as alpha, beta, gamma, or we can write A also. Then this, we know this side opposite to right angle is known as hypotenuse. Everybody knows this. Hypotenuse is the side opposite to right angle. So hypotenuse the side opposite to right angle. And what we say about the third side? Third side we call as base. So what is base? Base is the side on which this angle is based. So this is, you can say, base, the side on which the angle, that is theta, we can say, lies. Acute angle. So first we have to understand all the three sides of a right angle triangle, that this is perpendicular, the side opposite to angle theta, Hypotenuse is the side opposite to right angle, and base is the third side other than the perpendicular and hypotenuse on which this angle theta, which we are going to study, is lying. Let's learn about trigonometric ratios now. What are trigonometric ratios? What is the requirement of that? Since we know that trigonometry is a branch of mathematics in which we study about the triangles, certainly some of the parts of the triangle are given and other parts are being found. Means some angles are given, some sides are given, and we want to find out the other sides and other angles. Then we take the help of trigonometric ratios. What are these trigonometric ratios? Trigonometric ratios actually are the ratio of the sides of a right angle triangle about a given angle. What is the meaning of this given angle? Suppose we have a right angle triangle here ABC, in which angle B is 90 degree, and we want to find out the trigonometric ratios of this particular angle theta. Angle A we have named as here theta. Then we know the side opposite to this theta is the perpendicular. The side opposite to angle of 90 degree is hypotenuse. We can represent this by H and this by P, and the base AB can be represented by capital B. Just to learn. Then we have 6 trigonometrical ratios. There are 6 trigonometrical ratios. What are those? That is, number 1 is sine theta. S-I-N-E, sine theta is the full form of it. And in short we write is as sine theta, S-I-N. And this is the ratio of the perpendicular to the hypotenuse. Here in this case we can see that will be BC upon AC. The second one is cosine theta. This cosine theta in short is written as cos theta, and this is the ratio of base and hypotenuse. Here we find base is AB and hypotenuse is AC. This will be AB upon AC. The third one is tangent theta. In short we write it as tan theta, and this is the ratio of perpendicular and base, and here this will be BC upon AB in this case. The fourth one is cotangent theta, which is written as cot theta in short, and this is the ratio of the base and perpendicular. This is base upon perpendicular, and here in this case it will be AB upon BC. The fifth one is secant theta. In short we write this as sec theta, and this is the ratio of hypotenuse and base. Hypotenuse here is AC and base is AB, so it will be AC upon AB in this case. And the last one, the sixth one, is cosecant theta, which is written as cosec theta in short, and this is the ratio of hypotenuse and perpendicular. And we find here AC upon BC in this particular case. So these are the 6 trigonometric ratios which are going to help us to study about the triangles. So we are to remember these. Let's take some problem to find out the trigonometrical ratios. Suppose we have been given a problem in which it is given in a right triangle ABC, in which angle B is 90 degree, like we have here. This is ABC, B is 90 degree, and we take A as the angle, and it has been given that BC is equal to 4 centimeter, AC is equal to 5 centimeter, and then he says find the trigonometrical ratios or trigonometric ratios of angle A. We know to find out the trigonometrical ratios of angle A, we need this AB also. We have been given BC as 4 centimeter, AC as 5 centimeter. Then now to find this AB. We can find out AB. To find the solution of this, we can make use of Pythagoras theorem. By using Pythagoras theorem, in triangle ABC, we get that AC square is equal to BC square plus AB square. It means AB square will be AC square minus BC square. And that here comes as 5 square minus 4 square. That is 25 minus 16, which is 9. It means we get the value of AB as root of 9, that is 3 centimeter. So we have found this value as 3 centimeter. Now we can find out all the trigonometrical ratios for this particular angle A. It means we get now sine A, which is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Here this will be BC upon AC, and that is 4 upon 5. If we want to find out cos A, cos A we know is base upon hypotenuse. Here it is AB upon AC, and that will be 3 upon 5. Tan A is perpendicular upon base. Here in this case perpendicular is BC, base is AB, so this will be 4 upon 3. Cot A, we know is base upon perpendicular. Here it will be AB upon BC, which is equal to 3 upon 4. Then we find sec A. Sec A is hypotenuse upon base. In this case, it will be AC upon AB. AC is 5, AB is 3, so this will be 5 upon 3. And then the last one is cosec A. Cosec A is hypotenuse upon perpendicular. Here in this case AC is the hypotenuse and BC is the perpendicular, so this will be coming as 5 upon 4. Like this, in case you are given only two sides of any of the right angle triangle, we can find out the third side, and then we can find out the trigonometric ratios for any of the acute angle of this particular triangle. Thanks for watching my video. If you have any doubt or comments, leave them in the comment box and I'll get back to you.